Across northern Rakhine state, the Rohingya crisis is taking a new and increasingly regional turn. There is a detailed report of killings and rape of more than 1,500 Rohingya civilians by the Arakan army, the active rebel group in Rakhine state. This report was prepared by the Department of Public Relations and Information, the DPRI, which is based in the Rakhine state and the Rohingya refugee camp in Cox's Bazar. The violence, displacement, and the loss of homes continue to push Rohingya civilians toward Bangladesh. This new report has accused the Arakan army of killings, the arbitrary detentions, sexual violence, forced displacement, and property seizure in Budinong and Mondo Township in Rakhine State. The DPRI documented more than 1,504 Rohingya civilians who were allegedly killed, detained, subjected to sexual violence, or forcibly disappeared between 2022 and March 2026. The DPRI says it verified 823 individual victims from the 1,504 cases. The alleged abuse include killings, arbitrary detention, enforced disappearance, torture, sexual violence, forced recruitment, extortion, and the destruction or seizure of properties. The report also warns that the actual number of victims could be much higher. It says many victims could not be identified or documented. Another incident cited by DPRI took place in Moni village on August 4, 2024. The report says 35 Rohingya civilians who were remained in the village after others fled were captured or killed. The report also highlights alleged sexual violence against Rohingya women and girls. It records more than 112 alleged victims between 2024 and March 2026. The DPRI has called on the United Nations and the international accountability mechanisms to investigate the alleged abuses. It has also asked them to preserve evidence related to killings, sexual violence, arbitrary detention, forced displacement, and property confiscation in Rakhine State.